Today, I was thinking about a game where a warrior girl want to get back her parents' treasure from the enemies. Then I thought, convert this imagination into a game. Then I found one amazing tool called SoonLab AI. And I converted this imagination into a real game in just few minutes. So let me show you how you can also do this. So here we go. Simply search your SoonLab.ai. Now you can see this is a website. Open this website. Okay. Here you can describe your imagination, your idea, and that tool will convert into a game. So let me just log into this platform and let's create this game. Okay. So let's log in. You can sign up by Google or just create an account. Okay. I'm going to just type a very simple line like create a multi-level game where a warrior girl fight enemies and overcome challenge to take back his parents' stolen treasure. Now, you can see we have some models here. So I'm going to use here that SoonLab Pro model. Okay. And click on the generate option. That tool will think about your idea and then rewrite your whole idea. Okay. Now, he generated the full structure of a game. Okay. This one, labels and everything, visual style, everything. Now let's click on the generate. So whenever you click on this generate, so it will take 200 points to create this game. Okay. Let's generate. Now he's generating. As you can see, this is a progress bar. Okay. And on the right side, your game is generating here. Now you can see game generated successfully. Let me just click on the play game. Here's our warrior ball going. She can fight. She can jump like this. She can kill enemies like this. We can collect the points also. Like see this point, we have the health. All these things we can do with our game. Now let me just modify this game. Okay. So what I'll do here, as you can see here, these are the enemies. I want the more strong enemies here. Okay. And I want to change the background also. And I want to make the background look more attractive. So simply just say here, change the enemies character and make them more strong and change the background of the game to look more attractive. Okay. Now I'm gonna just use the SoonLab Pro and then let's click on generate and let's see how this will work. Okay. A game again. Wow. The enemies is changed here. Background is changed. That's amazing. So we have generated this game and we have updated this game in just few minutes with the simple prompt. And we have created this game without any coding knowledge. This is so cool. Now let me show you more things here. Go to the home. And once you go home, you will see a lot more games like all games. You can see here the action games, puzzle games like this. And you can use any of these games and remix it. Like suppose I like this one game. So let's click on this game first and then scroll down and you will see the remix option. Click on this. Once you remix it, you can modify this game according to your requirement and make it public. So it's really very easy to create a games with SoonLab and you can modify other games also. So this is the overall platform. Let's take a challenge. I'll give you the link of this tool in the description. Just go there and then convert your imagination into a game and share your game link in the comment section. I'll play all of your games. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.